Hi, my name's Phil Arns. I'm Director of Photography based in Los Angeles, California, and I specialize mainly in action sports and commercials. My favorite Bright Tangerine product right now would be the Misfit Matte Box. The reason I love it, it's compact, it's robust, and it's incredibly versatile, so it allows us to work fast and efficiently. Favorite accessory for this thing would be the black hole donut here on the back, which allows us to change lenses very fast and control light leaks efficiently and effectively, which is essential in a fast-moving environment like action sports.
Hey, my name is Brad Watanabe. I run a video production company in Hawaii called B-Rad Studio. My favorite thing about the Bright Tangerine Misfit Atomat box that we've been using is its size. It's tiny, it's lightweight, it's compact, but it's really strong. We can get a couple of filters in there and still fit it on a tripod or a jib or a slider or even a gimbal or even a drone. And so far it's been awesome.
Hi, I'm Brian Troy, and I'm a director of photography based in Philadelphia. One of my favorite accessories from Bright Tangerine is their donut. What I like is that it's lightweight, it's easy to screw on, and it makes swapping the Misfit Atom onto other lenses quick and easy. It comes in multiple sizes, and it works really well with my Canon and Schneider glass.